The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope without you. I'm in a reckless fever, love-struck girl, I tease her. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working overtime to have you in my world. Oh, what a curse it
Baka makuha na may sipong ko, kuya.
girl. Forced to get creative, wrote my feelings down. The independent lady in me's nowhere to be found. I can't wait another day to see you. How embarrassing to be this way. I'm in a reckless fever, love-struck girl, I tease her. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working over to never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working overtime. You've become my whole world. Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl.
I promise to love you and cherish you forever.
Napapadasal na ako. Kasi walang deads talaga. As in, ang sama ng pakiramdam ko, hindi ako makabangon.
Nakasapatot na yung mga tapatot na.
Who would have thought that after 6 years, dito ang punta natin? Well, sabi mo nga, matagal mo nang alam. Pero ako hindi. Buti na lang, porsigido ka rin, kaya nandito na tayo ngayon. First of all, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi you always show up for me. Nalaliyak ka. Nung una, naghahanap kami ng chapel and yung in one location na sana. Ito kasi ano to chapel and reception. Tapos dahil Catholic kami, syempre gusto namin ng Catholic na wedding. So parang it all worked out for us na dito na siya lahat.
Makagalaw, binihag ako ng iyong ngiti. Sa aking tabi manatili, sumasabog ang aking damdamin. Sa tuwing ika'y nasa aking tabi, binihag ako.
Well, kinakongratulate ko yung aking beautiful daughter, my independent daughter. Love you na.
Sing payapa ng dagat ang iyong mukha.
I won't make any grand promises to you, but rest assured that I will love you with all my heart. I will be your strength when you are weak. I will always listen and be there for you when you need it the most.
Di mapigil ang lukso ng aking puso. Umibigis ang pulso. Di alam ang gagawin sa iyong ganda. Puso'y napasayaw sa iyong tingin. Di makagalaw, binihag ako.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. In today's episode, today is the day.
Hindi naman ako nalulungkot. Masaya ako at mag-start na siya ng pamilya niya. Mahirap ang buhay, pero kayang-kaya nila yun. Kayang-kaya nila with agad.
Ihag ako ng iyong ngiti. sa aking tabi man.
Sabi mo nga sa akin, wala naman tayong hindi kinaya together so far. Pero sa ngayon, wala na talaga tayong choice. Kundi kayanin lahat together. Love you. And all I pray for is a happy life with you.
Bawat sandali sa iyong ganda, puso'y napasayaw sa iyong tingin. Hindi makagalaw, binihag ako ng iyong ngiti. Sa aking tabi manatili.
John Paulo and Agatha Patricia, may your marriage always reflect God's own love, faithful, fruitful, and forever.
Ihag ako ng iyong ngiti sa aking tabi manatili, manatili.
Maghaharapan kayo at ibibigay ni John Paulo ang unang halik kay Agatha Patricia bilang asawa.
Till the day my life is true, this I promise you. Love you.
Love you.